A few years ago, I was driving back from my work. It was super cold at that time. मेरा हाथ मेरे स्टीयरिंग व्हील के ऊपर था. The road ahead was barely visible क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा धुंध थी, fog थी उस टाइम पे. And every single turn that I took, I landed in another traffic jam. और उस टाइम पीरियड में I was super exhausted, sitting in my car. और एक चीज थी जो मेरे दिमाग में बार बार घूम रही थी, and that was I was doing so much and putting all of my efforts, all of my soul into this job, and never had I ever put this amount of effort into something for my own self. I had done a few experiments before. I had tried creating my own clothing brand. I had tried even content creation before, but I had let that go क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ उस टाइम पे इस चीज़ को हमेशा के लिए करने के लिए. और मेरे दिमाग में वो थॉट्स आते थे कि यार am I even good enough for this? Because of all of these thoughts, I gave up on myself in the past. And I felt that pinch inside of me that was telling me to do something about this situation that I was stuck in. I was consuming content on the internet. I was reading books. I was watching podcasts, YouTube videos, but I was not really putting anything of my own out on the internet. And I felt this void. I felt like कि यार even I can be doing this. जो ये चीज़ ये सामने वाला बंदा कर रहा है. और मेरे दिमाग में वो चीज़ बार बार घूम रही थी कि if I don't do this, I'll have to still wake up again कल and live this same day once again. But now looking back, after growing this new Instagram profile to over 120,000 followers right now, I realized that moment was what changed every single thing for me. So if you are stuck in a constant cycle of consuming more information on the internet, and you feel this void in whatever you are pursuing right now in your life, and you want to start creating something that other people find valuable, but you don't know where to start, then this video is exactly for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you very simple 5 steps जिसका use करके you can start creating your personal brand on the internet by today. Step number 1 is to create what you are already consuming. Look at all the YouTube videos की history. ठीक है, जो भी reels तुम्हें recommend होती हैं Instagram के ऊपर, make sure that you are noting down what are the curiosities, what are the interests that are pulling your attention, that are forcing you to spend time on these platforms? What are all the topics that you are generally interested in, you're curious about? Because that is what you will be the most qualified to talk about. If your feed is constantly filled with fitness influencers, if you're constantly watching other people telling you to कि किस तरह की diet खानी चाहिए, to gain muscle, lose fat, क्या workouts करने चाहिए, pull, push, whatever it is, you get my point, right? That is what you should be creating yourself. If you're spending your time watching productivity content, if you're constantly finding yourself reading books, watching videos of people like Ali Abdaal, अगर तुम इन लोगों की वीडियोस देख के ये चीज़ सीख रहे हो कि थोड़ा सा टाइम और कैसे बचाना है, थोड़े से पैसे और कैसे बचाने हैं, अपने टाइम को और अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कैसे करना है, then my friend, you are more qualified than an average person to help someone who's 2 steps behind you. क्योंकि now you have this information. Now you have changed your life, maybe even 10% using this thing that you have now learned. And you are qualified enough to share this experience, this value with other people who are in the similar position जहाँ पे तुम थे जब तुमने इस transformation को start किया था. हो सकता है you are obsessed with learning about business analogies, learning about different business models, learning how Reliance has reached this position जहाँ पे वो अभी है. Something like Think School does, right? Then you can start creating content like that as well. Because that is exactly what is naturally making you curious. The answers are right in front of you. You don't need to overcomplicate and put out 15 different topics that you need to start creating content about. Start with this one thing. Start with this one piece of interest that you right now have in your life. And once you start, you're going to realize that content is one of the very few things in the world that can give you exponential returns without you taking anyone else's permission to start. Step number 2 is to give yourself a challenge. A lot of people who start creating content, who start putting something out there on the internet, fail because they don't have any clue of the direction where their content is moving, जहाँ पे वो जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. They keep saying that I'll start creating content by tomorrow. I'll start this by Monday. But that starting point never really comes. You see, जब भी तुम कोई भी गेम खेलना स्टार्ट करते थे as a child, like I used to play a lot of GTA. I used to play a lot of Need for Speed Most Wanted. If I didn't have the direction of where my car was moving or what was the mission that my character was trying to accomplish, trying to fulfill, then I would be lost. And the best part about starting those races and those missions जिसको complete करता था हमारा character was that I had a clear goal in my mind कि इसके end में क्या होने वाला है. So what I want you to do is to gamify this experience of starting to create content as well. Instead of saying कि मैं कल से स्टार्ट करूंगा या फिर परसों से स्टार्ट करूंगा, आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्टार्ट सेइंग टू योरसेल्फ कि अगले 10 दिन के लिए मैं एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा रोज, या फिर फॉर द नेक्स्ट 10 days आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर वन लेसन फ्रॉम दिस बुक दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कंप्लीट. In the next 10 days, I'll try to document my journey of learning this one skill that I'm trying to get better at in my life, whether it's video editing, graphic design, digital marketing, SEO, ads, whatever it is, doesn't really matter. This mental model of having a challenge to complete is going to remove the decision fatigue, right? यहाँ पे तुम बार बार ये चीज़ नहीं सोच रहे होगे कि मुझे कल क्या पोस्ट करना है, परसों क्या पोस्ट करना है. यू विल हैव अ वेरी क्लियर रीजन ऑफ व्हाई यू आर पुटिंग आउट दिस कंटेंट ऑन द इंटरनेट. एंड वंस यू कंप्लीट दिस यू विल रियलाइज दैट लाइक एवरी अदर हैबिट इन द वर्ल्ड, इवन क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट एंड पुटिंग समथिंग आउट ऑन द इंटरनेट कैन बिकम योर सेकेंड नेचर. और जब तुम इस मोमेंटम में घुस जाओगे तुम्हें ये चीज़ बड़ी भी नहीं लगेगी. यू विल रियलाइज दैट हाँ, दिस इज जस्ट समथिंग दैट आई वाज ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेटिंग इन माई माइंड एंड आई फील very natural doing it now. But that won't happen until you don't start. Step number 3 is to lower the barrier to entry. This complements the previous step that we talked about, but it's a little different. I don't want you to think about being perfect at every single thing शुरुआत से, right? Like I used to have this problem with myself. जब भी मैं कोई भी नई चीज़ स्टार्ट कर रहा होता था, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट आई नीड टू हैव द परफेक्ट कैमरा फॉर दिस, आई नीड टू हैव द परफेक्ट सेटअप फॉर दिस, आई नीड टू गेट लाइक वर्ल्ड क्लास एट एडिटिंग बिफोर आई डाइव माई टोज इन टू दिस न्यू थिंग दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू. आई नीड टू बी लाइक सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट, आई नीड टू बी कि मुझे सोचना ना पड़े अपने बोलने के बारे में, जो भी चीज़ के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कैमरा के सामने. बट दैट कांट रियली हैपन फ्रॉम द डे वन, राइट? अगर तुम आज से 10 साल पहले किसी सक्सेसफुल यूट्यूबर, पॉडकास्टर की वीडियोस को देखते हो, इफ यू गो ऑन देयर यूट्यूब चैनल्स एंड यू सी दोज वीडियोस, यू विल रियलाइज दैट ऑल ऑफ दोज पीपल स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम जीरो लाइक यू एज वेल. वो नहीं थे परफेक्ट शुरू से, बिकॉज दैट इज द नेचर ऑफ एवरी सिंगल गेम दैट यू विल प्ले इन योर लाइफ. अगर तुम आज से क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू करते हो, या फिर जब तुम छोटे थे, इफ यू स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, तुम पहले ही दिन से हर बॉल पे छक्का नहीं मारने लग गए थे. एज यू ग्रू, एज यू स्टार्टेड लर्निंग डिफरेंट लेसन्स कि पैर कैसे सेट करना है, बैट कैसे पकड़ना है, बॉल को मारना कैसे है, दैट वॉज वेन यू एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड टू गेट बेटर एट बीइंग अ बेटर बैट्समैन या फिर बीइंग अ बेटर बॉलर, राइट? So there are different parts of the process that reveal themselves once you start doing that thing for over and over again. जब तुम उसको एक से ज़्यादा बार करना शुरू कर देते हो. So your first video is going to be shit. Even your second video is not going to be the best in the world. But your 100th video, your 50th video are going to be far better than the first video that you would have created. You get better at every single repetition that you make. जब तुम नोट करते हो, जब तुम रियलाइज करते हो कि क्या वो पॉइंट्स हैं जहाँ पे तुम्हें बेटर होना चाहिए. नाउ टू मेक इट ईजी फॉर योर सेल्फ, आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद सुपर कॉम्प्लेक्स लाइक यूट्यूब वीडियोज शुरुआत से. आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्टार्ट विद शॉर्ट फॉर्म कॉन्टेंट लाइक आई डिड, क्योंकि दैट इज अ मच लेसर कमिटमेंट, अ मच लेसर इनपुट फॉर योर सेल्फ. और तुम्हें 2 या 3 घंटे बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है हर चीज़ को स्क्रिप्ट करने के लिए, शूट करने के लिए. 1 मिनट की वीडियो को जो कि तुम इंस्टाग्राम पे डालोगे शुरुआत में. So start with that. And then use your phone. जो भी तुम्हारे पास अभी phone है, I'm assuming that it is going to be over at least 2 या 3 साल पुराना ही होगा या उससे थोड़ा सा नया ही होगा. So use whatever you have right now. Then trying to compare yourself to the creators who use the 3 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees वाला camera. And I want you to watch very closely why the videos of the people जिनकी तुम देखते हो, क्यों वो काम कर रही है. And I want you to steal some parts of their videos. I want you to steal their proven hooks. I want you to steal their formats. जिस वीडियो में वो जिस तरह की वो वीडियो बना रहे हैं. Because the best way you will be able to figure out how something works is by modeling the things that are already working on the platforms. And once you start doing all of this, you'll start to enjoy the process of creating. And your job is not to be perfect from day one. Your job is just to get started. Step number 4 is to document, not just ramble. Every single person that starts talking about some X topic in their content, they think that they need to become an expert from day one itself. But that's just not how things work, right? I remember जब मैं school में था, the best person who I used to learn from was not the teacher who was like 15 steps, 20 steps ahead of me. I used to learn the best from this one friend who had understood this concept जो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा होता था about chemistry या फिर maths या फिर biology. Not biology, but क्योंकि this friend of mine had started from the same point where I was at right now. और मैं उसकी जर्नी के साथ ज़्यादा relate कर पाता था. Then some teacher trying to give me their own examples to simplify this concept that they were trying to teach me. So when you start creating content, instead of thinking ki I'm not really good at anything, start thinking about what is that one thing that you are trying to get better at right now. What are the mistakes that you are making in this process of learning that one skill or getting better at this one thing that others can learn from in the process? And what are the resources that I am using to get better at this one thing? What is the mindset shift that I needed to make इस एक चीज को अपनी लाइफ में implement करने के लिए? Because people don't really connect with perfect experts. They learn the best from someone who has been in the same shoes that they are in right now. So if you constantly feel like you're not really good enough to talk about this one topic that you want to, that is your biggest advantage. Step number 5 is to commit to the next 30 days and not worry about the numbers इस time period में. Most of the people who start creating content on the internet, they quit before they start seeing any results. Why? Because they're so tied to this one number that they're trying to accomplish in their mind. उनको लगता है कि एक महीने के अंदर अंदर अगर मैं 10,000 फॉलोअर्स तक नहीं पहुंचा, then that is bad for me. तो मैं उसके बाद छोड़ दूंगा इस चीज़ को. मेरा कोई सेंस नहीं है, कोई मतलब नहीं है इस चीज़ को आगे परसू करने का. दे पोस्ट 5 to 10 टाइम्स पूरे महीने में, कुछ व्यूज़ उनके कम आते हैं, देयर पोस्ट डोंट वर्क, देयर वीडियोज़ डोंट गो वायरल एंड देन दे स्टॉप. They don't post content again on the internet. But let me tell you something. The first 30 days of trying to create content is not really for getting the best results that you can out of the efforts that you are putting. They're more about trying to create this new identity for yourself. Now, what do I mean by this? You're not really trying to create content every single day and hope कि मेरी videos चल जाए. You're trying to become more like a creator. You're constantly showing up and improving your craft of making better videos for the internet day by day after every single video that you make. And you'll start understanding कि क्या चीज़ें actually काम करती हैं videos में जो तुम बना रहे हो अब. You'll start getting better at different elements of the process. Creating more hooks, better storytelling, better editing, all of these things. And the more you do this, the more credibility you're going to build with people. And more people are going to come and become a part of your audience and think that you are someone who's worth following. I know exactly how it feels to be in your shoes right now because I was there myself. I know how it feels जब तुमको लगता है कि तुम्हारी लाइफ तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में बिल्कुल है ही नहीं. But through this video, through this content that I'm trying to create, I want you to start realizing that it is. Your life can move in the direction that you want if you decide to take action today. But I also know this. Once you start this journey, once you start creating content and putting something out on the internet instead of constantly consuming and scrolling on the internet, you'll start improving the chances of you doing better in your life and attracting more opportunities as more people come to you. Whenever you are ready, you can follow the next steps which I'm going to mention in the description. जहाँ से you can get more access to me to help you start creating content and building your personal brand. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed, and if you want to learn more about how content works, watch this video next.